We are already plastering so many units. If you've been following up my video, you know that we already have a sample unit of our 2-bedroom terrace duplex. And with what you're seeing behind me, don't worry, I'm going to flip the camera for us to tour the estate. But with what you're seeing behind me, I've actually walked around the estate and I've noticed that we have plastered more than 5 units. We're already doing plastering in and out, and we are already fixing windows and doors in each of these units. Smart investors, this is a huge progress. Remember, this project just came into the market last year and it's an off-plan project. I introduced it to you. What we had when we launched this project was 4-bedroom, 2-bedroom apartment, 2-bedroom terrace, 3-bedroom apartment, 3-bedroom terrace. But as of today, as we speak, we just have the 2-bedroom terrace and the 3-bedroom terrace selling. This is the best time to hit the subscribe button and turn on your bell. And if you want to invest in this 2-bedroom or the 3-bedroom, call or WhatsApp the number displayed on your screen and I'll follow through with you. So real estate has been made easy. That is why the off-plan project is a perfect one for you to take advantage of if you intend to own a home in Lagos State, Nigeria. And this is why I have introduced this off-plan project to you. I'm back here in Citadel Oasis to give you site updates on what we have done so far. Don't forget that this project was brought into the market sometime last year, and currently what we have left is the 2-bedroom terrace and the 3-bedroom terrace. I'm going to flip this camera over. If this is your first time of coming across this channel, thank you for my subscribers. I see you. Thank you so much. I see your likes, I see your comments. God bless you. You guys just see me for the first time, my name is Joanne, your go-to real estate consultant here in Lagos State, Nigeria, your trusted realtor for anything off plan. So hit that subscribe button and turn on your bell so that you stay notified whenever we drop any video on this channel. Welcome back, viewers. This is the fastest project ever. I'll be moving around the estate so that you can see. Remember, I told you that we already started plastering. You can see. Can take a look. We already started plastering, not just plastering the outside. The same way we are plastering the outside, we are doing same inside, and we are fixing and we are already fixing our windows in all these units. Smart investors, I'm sure you are familiar with this place. That's the sample unit. If you want to see a well-detailed video of that sample unit, send me a WhatsApp message and I'll share that with you. Today I won't be touring it because I've toured it before. So let's keep going. Most of us want to own homes, but we don't have all the millions to put down immediately. So I advise you to take advantage of off-plan projects. Not all off-plan projects. Please be mindful of the off-plan projects you put your money into. But you see this particular one, we have done it before. And this particular one is not the first project we are handling. If you know about the Citadel View, we handled that project. If you know about the Citadel View 2.0 behind the Lagos Business School, we also handled that project. So the developer of this project is not new in the market. In fact, I think I would call him the king of off-plan projects because he actually delivers. He doesn't just deliver, he delivers at the right time and he uses good products. Smart investors, there is a good news. If you don't like to live in darkness like me, because I love light, I love electricity. In this estate, we have an offer for solar and non-solar, and I believe that you all that are watching this video, you love light. Who doesn't? So if you love light, you should be going for either the 2-bedroom terrace that comes with solar or the 3-bedroom terrace that comes with solar. Mind you, we have limited units already. Our 4-bed sold out before we could say jack. Smart investors, this off-plan project is not hidden. Facing the Lagos Charterhouse School, opposite the Ogombo Road, adjacent the Citadel View. Smart investors, this is your best bet in this location. If you've been following my video, you will know that for any time I come here, there must be something new in this estate. Okay, so let's keep walking. Okay, I know you're going to call me after you're done watching this video. I'm pretty sure you need a follow-up video. And if you don't hit your subscribe button, not just hitting the subscribe button, if you don't turn on your notification bell, you will not be able to see the follow-up of this video. You will not be able to see our next site update. So do that right away, okay? Thank you. The estate is going to come with lovely features. We are going to have the kids playground. We are going to have a swimming pool. We're going to have a fitness center. Yes, we're going to have lovely features. So everything that can be seen in a functioning estate, we are going to have that here. Mind you, we are dealing on solar. So when you come inside here, you are going to be happy to live here. You are going to feel happy to live here because we are all powered by solar, okay? So don't forget, we have limited units. So the best time to call Joanne on the number displayed on your screen is now. Don't push it till tomorrow. Remember, you watched this video some months ago and you said later, and today we just have 2-bedroom terrace and 3-bedroom terrace. Don't keep waiting until the units are sold out. Hit the number right away so that we can get you started. Smart investors, more units are coming up, more foundations. Work is in progress. We are not stopping. Drainage system, check. We are not stopping. This is what we love to do. We've done it before in Citadel View 1.0, Citadel View 2.0. We're currently doing it in Capital Lofts. If you know Capital Lofts and the Capital Terraces, we're also doing it there. You see why we are the king of off-plan. You see? So call me on the number displayed on your screen so that you can get either the 2 units of the 2-bedroom or 3-bedroom terrace. 1 unit is not enough. Buy for yourself, buy for your mom, buy for your family friend so that you all can live happily ever after. Okay? Workers are on site. There is no time I come here that this place is isolated. Workers are always on site because imagine if workers don't be on site, we won't be able to get to the stage we've got into today. So we mean business, okay? The time we told you we are going to deliver, that's when we are going to deliver, okay? Smart investors, I'm still inside Citadel Oasis. This is still Citadel Oasis. To show you, we have thousands of units in this estate. We have over 200 and something units in this estate. Exactly what we did in Citadel View, that's what we are replicating in here. But inside here, we are doing it much better. It's going to come out bolder, beautiful, and better, okay? It's 3-bedroom terrace and 2-bedroom terrace we have left. So if you're asking, do you still have units selling in here? Yes, we do. But what we have left is the 2-bedroom terrace and the 3-bedroom terrace. What secures you a unit here is a 30% down payment, and you spread your balance across months. All the information you need in regards to this project, just call me or WhatsApp the number displayed on your screen, and you're going to get all that down to a physical site inspection, either by yourself or you send in a representative, and we'll bring him or her into this estate so that the person can see for him or herself what I am talking about. You're going to love it. You're going to love it. I bet you're going to love it. I am going to buy more than just 1 unit. I'm so sure about that. Okay? Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on your bell. I would be so grateful for your likes and your comments, and also share this video to your loved ones that are in need of a home that they can key into and pay little by little. This is that home for them, okay? Welcome back, viewers. So that brings us to the end of this site update. I'm still going to keep coming to update you on what we have done, okay? The 2-bedroom comes with a BQ. I forgot to mention that. Yes, the 2-bedroom terrace comes with a BQ, but the 3-bedroom doesn't come with a BQ. We are already sold out in the units that come with BQ. So the only unit that comes with a BQ that is left is a 2-bedroom terrace, okay? I know you enjoyed this beautiful tour. Please hit the subscribe button and turn on your bell so that you stay notified on this channel. Till I come your way again, enjoy the rest of your week and have a lovely day. Bye.